Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete portfolio on CoinGecko. Whether you've created multiple portfolio for testing or just want to clean up old data, deleting one is simple and take less than a minute. First of all, launch open CoinGecko application on your device, or you can also go to coingecko.com on a web browser. Make sure to be logged into your account to manage your portfolios. Once you're logged in, click on the portfolio button at the bottom of the screen. Once you're inside this portfolio tab, click on the portfolio drop-down at the top left corner and you will see all of your portfolios. To delete a portfolio, click on the three dot right next to one of your portfolios. And then, in the pop-up at the bottom, click on Delete this portfolio. Click on the Delete button in the pop-up once again, and you will then be able to delete the selected portfolio right away. Remember, deleting a portfolio is permanent and cannot be undone. Double-check that it's the correct one before deleting it. After deleting, you'll be redirected back to your main portfolio page. You can still create a new one later by tapping on New Portfolio button at the top right corner where you see the plus button. So that's how you easily delete a portfolio on CoinGecko. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.